Hey guys, it's Jen here. It's a beautiful day here in Kentucky, and I am going to take Tony's Corvette for a drive. Are you ready? Let's go. Come on, honey. Are you ready? Let's do it.
Okay, honey, I guess we're gonna go for a drive, but you better be very careful with my car. It's my baby, you know that, don't you?
Yes.
But I guess I will let you do it anyway. So let's go for this ride, honey, and see what happens. Okay?
Okay, but we have to show them around.
Do you want to show around
Your car.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna have this, right?
Absolutely.
Are
honey.
you excited
I'm
for
very
my
excited.
driving?
I'm a little
Aren't
scared,
you
honey.
scared? Oh, you don't have to. See how pretty it is. Ooh, I love this red Corvette. Perfect. Perfecto. Mi amor.
Just be very careful with your drive.
I
honey.
will.
Be very careful with your drive.
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Are you?
I will open.
Yes, I am excited. There you go. This is what's inside. Come here, honey. Where's the key? Here's the key. And are you coming?
I'm coming. Here you go, honey.
You excited?
Oh yes, very excited. You're the only one that's drove this car since I've bought it. So let's be very careful.
We're in trouble now.
Always put your seatbelt on, just in case.
Okay.
Let's go, honey. Show me what you've got. Put your seatbelt on, honey.
All right.
Safety first. Always remember, safety first.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Here. This is to go forward.
Scoot your seat up, honey, where it feels comfortable.
Right.
Good job.
Okay, I have to adjust the... Ooh, this is so hard. And I have to turn it on like this. Ooh, it roar.
Yeah,
See
it's
that?
all those horses under the hood, honey.
This one is the parking reverse. Did you say it to them? Neutral, drive, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, good
Don't
job,
be shaky,
honey.
Alright, let's go. Drive. I will put this on drive. Yeah. Okay, adjust the mirror.
Always fix your hair. It's important.
Show it to them. Then we're gonna have a view. Let's go. I'm
Okay.
going.
Now we're on our way.
And I'm going to wreck.
Cross your fingers, guys, that we make it.
We will make it. Oh, that's a nice one. There's another Corvette. Great.
So here we go. It's a beautiful day here in
Another
Richmond.
Corvette.
Yeah, there's another Corvette, a yellow Corvette.
You hear that sound? Roar.
Always been my favorite car.
Show them the view.
We're here on the golf course in Lake Reba in Richmond, Kentucky. Beautiful. And she just hit a big hole. Good job, honey.
Yeah.
Say hello, honey.
Hi. I'm concentrating. I don't want to wreck.
She's done a good job so far.
Ah, don't jinx it.
There's Old Glory blowing in the wind today.
It's getting dark. Is it on video still?
Yes, honey. Yeah, beautiful day here. Looks like we might be getting a little bit of rain coming in
That
soon.
dark.
This is a very nice park too. Good place to go jogging, fishing, basketball playing, swimming.
Swimming.
And there is my beautiful wife driving my car. I hope she don't wreck it.
Here, look at these leaves. It's turning.
The leaves are turning yellow. Fall is here, people.
Pink, man, pink. Oh my
So you got to edit that.
Oh, gosh. Crazy.
She just ran a stop sign, everyone. This is a very nice lake to go fishing, kayaking, boating. Very nice. Now we are leaving Lake Reba. What do you say? This is a stop sign, honey. Good job. She stopped.
I stop all the time.
No, she ran a stop sign a while ago.
The leaves are turning. You know.
Yeah, very pretty. Currently driving on a country road. Very nice.
Love those roads.
What do you want me to film, honey?
The front. We are at what's this? Camp Catalpa. Did you?
Yes.
Look at those. Oh my! It's pretty in here. We should have done a video.
That's okay. That's good.
It's more nicer.
That's a very nice place up here.
Wait.
They have walking trails, everything. Just out for a Sunday drive today with my wife. She's doing a good job so far.
Hey, don't jinx it.
Just don't run us over this hill up here. Big speed bump, and the car's very low. Honey!
Oh, what's that? What?
You drugged the bottom of the car.
I don't know. How
You don't go over this fast, honey.
I did not go fast.
Yes, you
I didn't
did.
even do it. See, look.
This you go slow over. You don't go fast over speed bumps in this car. It's too low.
Okay, man. And the leaves.
Very pretty.
We're gonna go to Lexington. You know, what's that place to? What's that nice place in Lexington? Huh?
I don't know.
I think beautiful place in Lexington. Like beautiful.
They got pretty lakes. I don't know what it's called. I can't remember.
Gotta turn, my love. How do you turn it here?
Yes, honey.
Okay, we're gonna go to Lexington. Drive reverse. Keep looking. Always look.
Always be careful. Watch where you're going.
Watch with people. Watch people, right?
Yeah, you got to watch people, and you got to watch where you're backing.
Watch the people and everybody. Everybody. Let's go for our drive.
We're continuing our journey. It's very nice out here. Now here comes these dreaded speed bumps again that she just drug the car on. Take it very slowly, honey. Very slowly. Car's very low.
Let me see how it is. The video. Be shaky. Just do like this.
Honey, it's hard. I am doing that.
Just do it like that.
But it's hard not to shake when you're hitting bumps.
No, it's really shaky. Eh?
This car's shaky. Well, so far, people, we are still living. She's not actually totaled the car out yet. So we're in good shape on that end. Look at the confidence she has. Doing a very good job. onward to Lexington. Everybody's enjoying fishing out there today, boating. Well, overall, I think she's done a well job today, except for dragging the bottom out over the speed bump.